Is your cough worse when you're lying down or sleeping? This could be acid reflux. Acid reflux happens when your stomach acid tickles your esophagus and throat, triggering your cough reflex. Imagine your stomach acid being the liquid in this water container. When I lie this container down, the liquid flows towards the mouth of the bottle. Likewise, if this was your stomach acid, it would easily flow to your throat when you lie down, thus tickling it and triggering your cough. If you would like to know more how to improve your asthma or acid reflux naturally without medicines, type "I want" at the comment section and I'll send you a link to my talk for February 24. See you then!